How to change Steam download speed. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change Steam download speed. For this video, we will be using my MacBook Air, and we are currently on our profile on Steam right now. And the first thing you'd like to check when your download speed seems a little slower than normal is your internet connection itself. So you can go to any browser you have on your PC and just type speedtest.net. And from here, all you have to do is tap on the button Go in order to run the speed test. Now we just have to wait for the results, and the reason why we have to do this is, of course, to eliminate the fact that the internet might be the problem, why your download speed is slow. So once you confirm that your internet connection is good, then you may now go back to your Steam profile and try the following troubleshooting steps we have here. From your profile page, hover onto the library option at the left top corner and you should see downloads. Tap on downloads and that should bring you to this page. On this page, you should see this settings icon at the right top corner. It's very small. So just tap on this settings icon and you should see the downloads preferences come up. So on the downloads preferences, you should see these several options we have here. And the first thing you'd like to check is actually the region. The download region is automatically set to the nearest server to where you are for you to have the fastest download. However, if this region is actually congested, you might want to consider checking other regions that are close to you. So all you have to do is tap or click on this drop down to see the options. Like me, for example, the next nearest server to me is Philippines Baguio. So I'm gonna click on that. Another thing you'd like to check is the allow downloads during gameplay. So we have the description right here, which basically means that even while you're playing, your downloads are not paused and are just downloading as usual. So if you don't have the check mark on this just yet, make sure you tap on this square in order for you to turn this feature on. And then make sure that there is no check mark next to throttle downloads while streaming. This is to make sure that anything that may slow down your downloads will not get in the way. So make sure there's no check mark on that. And the same goes for the limit bandwidth too. Make sure that there is no check mark on this square as well, because this basically means that we are limiting our download speed to a specific bandwidth only. So just click on the square to remove that check mark if any. And once you are done, just tap or click on the OK button at the bottom of this pop-up screen. And that should close this download preferences pop-up. That should bring you back to the downloads library where you can see your download. And if nothing changes, just click on the settings icon again at the right top corner of this page and then select or click on clear download cache. So as you can see, as per the description, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So you might want to consider doing this. But remember that when you click on clear download cache, your Steam account will actually be logged off. So you're gonna have to log back in. So after clicking on that, you will see a confirmation pop-up message telling you exactly what's gonna happen. And you may just choose to proceed if you want to. But that's how easy it is to change Steam download speed. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.